Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to install new spark plugs on my 2012 Nissan Juke. Alright, things you need, basic hand tools, socket wrench. Usually you're going to need the 10 and the 12 for your engine. Spark plugs, just check your owner's manual which spark plugs are recommended for your car. So got iridium right there. Coil pack, since I'm going to change spark plugs. That's new. Dielectric grease. Torque wrench. Alright, first things first. Make sure to remove the negative terminal from the battery. So I'm going to have a short circuit when placing your spark plugs. Next thing you want to do is to remove this cover part. Next is to remove the bolt on the side of the hose using a 10mm socket. Next is you want to remove this hose by removing this clamp. You can use a pliers or a vice grip. Just try to wiggle it back and forth. Once you remove the clip, you can just toss it on the side like that so it's out of the way. Alright, next step is to remove the boost solenoid using a 10mm socket. You got 2 bolts and an extension. Before you remove the boost solenoid, there's still a small hose connected to the pipe. You just remove it by hand. Second, the third, and on the other side is the fourth coil pack. Just need to remove this pipe right here. So next step is to remove this pipe using a 7mm socket. Use the 12mm socket to remove this bolt right here and as well as on the other side. Since the other bolt's kinda hard to reach, you will be needing this universal extension joint to remove it. Now you can have an access to 1, 2, 3, and 4 coil pack. Remove the bolt holding the ignition coil using a 10mm socket. After you remove the bolt, you can remove the coil packs as well. To remove all the dust before removing your spark plugs. So now we can remove the spark plugs. You will need this long extension right here and a 14mm socket. This is not your typical spark plug socket. fusing, and voltage leaks. After that, use this torque wrench to tighten the spark plugs. Set it to 15 foot-pounds. One good trick to install the new spark plugs is to tighten it first by hand to avoid cross-threading. After installing the spark plugs, we're going to use our new ignition coil.
I blame it on the movies, the sense of urgency.
So that's the step-by-step process on how to install new spark plugs. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you like the video, just hit like and subscribe.